Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Gail Pan Tabletop is probably one of the most charming and delightful sewing projects you'll find. This project is perfect for both beginners and experienced stitchers, offering a wonderful way to create beautiful, handcrafted items for your home. In this video, we'll dive deep into the details, exploring its design, materials, and the joy it brings to the world of quilting and embroidery. Number 5. HeatnBond Hem Iron-On Adhesive, Super Weight, White. This is a double-sided adhesive designed for easy and permanent hemming. It allows you to hem garments and home decor without any sewing. This super weight version is perfect for heavier fabrics. It works great on heavy cotton, denim, suede, wool, and corduroy. The adhesive is heat-activated, ensuring a permanent bond. It's a double-sided adhesive, making the process simple and effective. Forget about sewing. With this product, you simply iron the hem together. It creates a clean hem in just seconds. Unlike some other products, this one has no paper liner or backing paper. It's ready to use right from the roll. What we like? This adhesive offers a quick and easy way to hem your fabrics without any sewing. It's perfect for those who want a clean finish in seconds. If you're looking for a no-fuss solution for heavy fabrics like denim or suede, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The patterns are well written and easy to follow. The projects are all so pretty and I can't wait to start making them. The book is full of beautiful projects. Number 4. T-Fal ProGrade 5-quart Jumbo Cooker. This pan features a titanium non-stick interior for long-lasting performance. It allows easy food release, so you can cook with confidence. The 5-quart jumbo cooker with lid is ideal for various cooking methods. It's perfect for deep frying, stir-frying, simmering, braising, and sautéing. The unique heat indicator turns solid red when the pan is perfectly preheated. It also features an even heat base for consistent cooking results. Enjoy a sturdy and secure grip with comfortable handles. This ensures you have full control while cooking. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty. The hard titanium reinforced non-stick interior is designed for years of easy cooking and fast cleanup. This feature makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The thermospot unique heat indicator shows when the pan is properly preheated to seal in food's flavor. This ensures your food is cooked to perfection. What we like? This jumbo cooker features a durable non-stick interior for easy food release and cleanup. The thermospot technology ensures perfect preheating every time. If you are looking for a versatile pan that can handle deep frying, stir-frying, and more, and is compatible with all cooktops, then it is a great choice. What people say. This pan is my all-star. Whether it's frying up eggs, making meat for tacos, or even a chili, this pan gets it done. Cooks evenly, works on my induction cooktop, and even goes into the oven, braising short ribs right now. Having both handles is key for mobility. The nice thing about this pan is that it's very deep and is rated at 5 quarts and also comes with very nice glass lid. I use it to make pasta dinners where I cook the main ingredients in this pan and then add the cooked pasta to combine everything together. It is also a non-stick surface and very easy to clean. Satisfecha con la compra. La cura antes de usarla, y siguiendo los pasos de limpieza posterior al uso se notó la diferencia en que se mantiene su función antiadherent y su aspecto nuevo. Number 3. Sew Emma Cross Stitch Key, Small, Black. This is a small, black cross-stitch key. It's made in the United States. You can use it for your cross-stitch projects. The key has a package length of 7.0 inches. The package width is 5.0 inches, and the height is 1 inch. It's designed to be compact and easy to store. This product is proudly made in the United States. It's a quality item that you can rely on for your crafting needs. It's a great addition to any cross-stitcher's toolkit. This key is perfect for any cross-stitch project. It's small, easy to use, and will help you create beautiful designs. It's a must-have for any cross-stitch enthusiast. The key is small and black, making it easy to find in your supplies. It's a simple tool that can make a big difference in your cross-stitch projects. Get yours today. What we like. This cross-stitch key is made in the United States. It's small and compact, making it easy to store. If you are a cross-stitch enthusiast looking for a handy tool, consider this. What people say. It is a plastic guide. However, this is thick hard plastic and very durable. I use it to measure stitch counts, mark comers, and have an easy reference for threads and needles. This is a handy tool for your cross-stitch supplies. Handy dandy cross-stitch accessory. It's nice to have this item close at hand for reference, small ruler, needle sizes needed for various sized Ida cloth. Number 2. Christmas Patchwork loves embroidery, holiday projects. Are you ready for some holiday crafting? This project is perfect for adding a festive touch to your home. It's a fun and easy way to create beautiful, handmade decorations. This embroidery project focuses on hand stitches. You'll learn various techniques to create unique designs. It's a relaxing and rewarding experience. Get into the holiday spirit with this project. It's designed to be enjoyable for all skill levels. You can create gifts or decorations to celebrate the season. With this project, you can personalize your holiday decor. You can choose your own colors and patterns. It's a great way to express your creativity. This project helps you create beautiful, festive decorations. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to your home. You can make your holidays even more special. What we like. This book focuses on hand stitches and holiday projects. It is perfect for those who enjoy embroidery. If you like creating festive and handmade decorations, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The patterns are well written and easy to follow. The projects are small and perfect for using up scraps. The book is filled with beautiful projects. Number 1. Tabletop Stitchery, 12 Embroidery and Patchwork Patterns. Introducing Tabletop Stitchery, a delightful collection of embroidery and patchwork patterns. It's designed to help you create beautiful and inviting table settings. This book features 12 unique patterns. They are perfect for adding a personal touch to your home decor. With this book, you can create charming table linens. It's a great way to express your creativity and make your dining experience more special. The book includes easy-to-follow instructions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, you'll find the patterns enjoyable. These patterns are perfect for any occasion. Use them to create gifts or decorate your own table for everyday use or special events. What we like. This book offers a collection of embroidery and patchwork patterns for your tabletop. It features inviting designs to enhance your dining experience. If you like creating beautiful and unique table settings, you should consider this. What people say. The patterns are well written and easy to follow. The projects are beautiful and fun to make. I love the projects in this book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.